Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find a place ID using this Google Place ID finder tools. Okay, so first open the URL I am sharing with you, then you can see this map area. You only need to find the location and you can see. Okay, so suppose we want to open this we want to find this address place ID. So just first we open the address and then copy the place name, enter. As we have a different address, we can select the specific one, but I'm not but if you want to certain, just copy the address and then enter the address after a space. You can see now it's only showing one address, and in the map saying you can ensure this is the accurate address. Otherwise, okay, so once the address open, you can see the details here like place ID and address here. So this first portion is actually the place ID. Copy place ID and use as you want to use. Okay, so that's it. Just find the location in this map and the map will automatically show you the place ID. Okay, so that's it. And okay, thank you.